Welcome to episode 4 of the Divine Living Template Path. Today, we step into personal restoration, a reactivation of sacred memory in the body, soul, and design. Restoration begins where remembrance is activated. This is your invitation to reclaim the lost codes within you. To restore is to realign. To remember is to re-embody. You are the temple and the priest. Let us begin. The temple remembers. The body realigns. And your light returns to its rightful architecture. In the next episode, we deepen through healing race and image distortion.